All right, and we are live. So today, Nvidia is going to be reporting earnings, and we are going to be watching as they are released. So once you guys can see this live stream, please let me know. And I have to make it public, so I almost forgot about that. There we go. Open to the public. Let me know when you can hear me and see me okay. We good here?
Me?
No, I'm live.
Cool.
Huh?
I'm golden.
What's up? What's up? How are we doing? Video's good. All right. In the next 7 minutes, we're going to be watching one of the most highly anticipated earnings. I really don't know when's the last time an earning report was this heavily, like the weight and the influence that today is going to have. Supposedly, I read an article where it stated that we are going to see a 10% move. It doesn't mean that it's going to go up. It doesn't mean that it's going to go down. We do not know, but it's going to be a 10% move after Nvidia reports earnings. So there's very high expectations that Nvidia has to blow it out of the water. We want to see that Nvidia not only posted better than expected earnings, exceeding Wall Street's expectations, but that also guidance for up and coming quarters is bullish. That is the big focus. What is coming in the future? Is it still bullish? Are big tech companies still heavily pouring billions of dollars into AI? That's going to be the magical question. So, all right. Here we go. Hopefully, again, I can earn your thumbs up in this video. Do not forget to subscribe. And we have a little surprise for you at the end of this live stream for all those that have been waiting for a nice little update about Learn Plan Profit 3.0. So you're going to want to wait until the very end of this live stream. It's going to be pretty short and sweet because right after the market closes, Nvidia, within 5 to 10 minutes, should be reporting earnings. And then after that, we'll talk about it a little bit, what was reported. We'll break it down in some detail. But then we'll talk about LPP 3.0 for all those that have been waiting for a major update. Because there's something that we're sending out today that if you've been waiting for it, you're going to want to pay attention. All right, here we go. All right. It's going to be at 4:20 at 20 minutes after. Here we go, pulling on back. Testing EMA, still a strong ascending uptrend pattern. We can talk about Wall Street's expectation for it. Yep, the 5 p.m. call, which is 1 hour after the market closes because it's 5 p.m. Eastern time, that you can sit over here if you wanted to watch it, but it's going to be 20 minutes after, so we still
it's not at 1?
No.
I just want to see if it goes up or down. 10%.
I know. Oh, me too, brother. So one question that I get pretty often is, well, Ricky, what am I trading, right? What am I focused on? I don't personally like to carry an open position before a company reports earnings. So it's just me. That doesn't mean that you don't have to. I just think that it's kind of like a coin flip. Now, it's kind of hard to bet against Nvidia. And I'm not talking about a little short trade. I'm talking about thinking that Nvidia is going to miss an entire quarter's worth of earnings. So we'll see. We'll see what is actually reported and how the market reacts. And I think that's the big thing. A lot of you guys, that if this is your first time ever experiencing an earnings report, I think a handful of you guys might be a little surprised, because it doesn't just have to exceed Wall Street's expectation. Its guidance is also very important. And that's kind of confusing for some people that are newer to the market. But we'll explain in a little bit more detail why it either went up or why it went down. But I guess we could run a poll. Do you guys want me to run a poll on what everyone thinks here? Is that cool? Looking forward to the bad report is what I see Nabil sharing. Nvidia is overbought, is overbooked for years. That is something that they have chatted a lot about. It's not just about that, but it's, do they still see the same type of demand even after big tech has shared their concerns about the lack of progress that they have made in AI? So does that mean that big tech is maybe not investing as much? You know, where does that put us? All right. Yeah, but definitely Nvidia is always strong. It always has been strong. And although obviously I want Nvidia to pull on back, because I would love to buy some at, you know, $80 to $90 per share, it wouldn't surprise me if it continues to go up. So blackjack with Nvidia. Let's go, boys. Speculation means nothing. Action means everything. Here it goes. Seeing some selling pressure. Your stream is freezing. Oh no. Have to close some of these windows out maybe. Oh, the stream quality is falling. It's lagging bad. Let me know when you guys can hear me or see me okay. Oh, I think it. Okay. I think I switched it, so it should be good now. Loud and clear. Can you guys hear me okay? I switched the network. I do apologize. Smooth for me now. Really do apologize, guys. Probably one of the worst times for there to be a delay. I'm gonna plug in my laptop just to make sure that we have no interruption when it comes down to that. We good now? We better? You got an ad? I can't control the ads. But I did see one of the questions. I don't know if you're newer to the group or to the YouTube channel, and you're asking, is he trading after market hours? How do you do that? First off, we explained it in LPP in a little bit more detail, some of the risk when it comes down to trading after hours. But yeah, you definitely can. Like, you know, if I have a short position and I wanted to buy to cover, instead of a market order, it would be a limit order. And I just have to turn on extended hours. So I control my sell price, and if I wanted to fulfill it there, then I just go ahead and click buy to cover, and then click send. and then you should see the limit order pop up, and then it should show filled. Yeah. But that's about it. Very, very simple, very, very straightforward. A friendly reminder, I personally use the Webull trading application. It is free and available in the US, especially if you're thinking about joining LPP and to watch my live trading sessions. I would recommend Webull if it's something that you want to consider. You can have Fidelity, you can have TOS, you can have Charles Schwab, you can have more than one trading brokerage. But if you wanted to try Webull out, they do have a sign up bonus right now, and you could use my link. It's the 5th link in the description of this video. And if you sign up using my link, you could earn up to 12 free shares, and I will earn 1 free share. So it's a win-win for both parties. You do have to have an initial deposit of at least $5. But again, you can try out the platform. I personally like it myself. I use it every single day. It's not just something that I talk about. It's something that I trade on every single day with my LPP team. So again, 5th link in the description down below. You do have to be within the US for most of it, so. This is the new GME. I like that, Chris. I like that. Someone had to say it, right? The new pump and dump. Minutes, you guys. Whoa. How are we now? Are we good? Oh, that was a big drop of viewers. So I predict no definite movement, but radical volatility, followed by Nvidia announcing their bankruptcy tomorrow. Yeah, no, that's a wild one. Wow. There it goes. Nvidia dropping, testing the moving average right now. All right, looks like we have about 2,000 of you guys here. Hopefully we could earn your thumbs up. Maybe you guys could consider subscribing, especially for all those that are looking for the LPP update. "60 analysts say strong buy." Yeah, I'm sure they're going to say that when the whole market's depending on Nvidia. It's not going to surprise me if Nvidia exceeds expectation. Is Nvidia a cheap stock to buy at $130 per share? It's not about can you make money on Nvidia. Is it cheap at 130? Definitely not, right? Nvidia with previous highs of 140, currently sitting at 125, 130. It's more at a resistance range than it is as a support. But technicals mean absolutely nothing when a stock is about to report earnings. It's all about fundamentals at that point and how the market reacts. So, yeah, that's what I'm mainly looking out for as of right now. And again, for those that are a little bit newer, we have Wall Street's expectation, earnings per share, 65 cents, revenue, $28.72 billion. Is audio still? Man, I do apologize, guys. No, that would completely drop it. Are you on a live stream or something? Are you still on a call?
I'm on my hotspot.
Oh, you're not even on the thing?
No, it wasn't working for me earlier. I haven't tried.
I'm gonna have to reset it.
Actually, no. I'm on. I am on Wi-Fi.
I invested all of my lunch money. Okay.
Do you want me to disconnect?
What was that?
Do you want me to connect to my hotspot?
If you can for the next 30 minutes, yeah.
Yeah, I got you.
Appreciate it, man. Yeah, that's okay. Stream is solid. Okay. 12 minutes to go. That is correct. Nvidia reports earnings in the next 12 minutes. Let me go ahead and run a poll real quick, get your guys' feedback. All right, let's start the poll. You should be able to see it on your side on the live chat. You could partake in the live chat if you are subscribed to the channel. If you are not subscribed to the YouTube channel, it will not let you participate. If stream freezes, Chipotle for 500 people on Ricky's tab. Heck no. I have no position, but I'm extremely excited to watch. I like that. Definitely. It's just, I think that being able to watch a major event where it's not just us, but it's all of Wall Street, right? We're all waiting for one company to report earnings that so many companies are dependent on. And it's so cool to see one company have this much influence. Is it scary? Yeah, of course, because a lot of power is being given to one single company. But in my opinion, have they earned it? Yeah, 100%. Like, they have everything to back it up. They've been doing great. We're seeing some selling pressure here on Nvidia. You guys see that? All right, nice little pullback. I'm buying back to cover my short. I'm doing it with a limit order. The limit order is way up here, but it will get filled down there. All right. All right, there we go. Close out the trade. That was a quick little short just because it reached overbought levels. And I knew there was going to be some volatility into the close. So we're up 12.5K, just so you guys could see. I have no open position anymore. I closed it out. So I left myself with my one lucky share. And now we wait. So I'm going to close out that short or that trade as well, or that share as well. So let me close it out. There it goes. No open position, fully closed out. What a beautiful way to watch Nvidia. Is the stream quality still bad? It shows good stream quality on my side. Can you guys hear me and see me okay? Please make sure that you refresh the screen if you think that it's delayed. So feel free to refresh it. You should be able to see and it'll bring you back up to where we are. Okay? You short this thing like a bandit. All right. We are good. 1080p for quality. I like that. All right, guys, 8 minutes left until Nvidia reports earnings. Make sure that it looks like 73% of you, according to the poll, think that Nvidia is going to be bullish. I was going to say, Ish, what do you think? I should take a position, a small one, but I will take one and I'll let them decide. Yeah, I'll let them decide if I should go long or if I should go short. I would do it with, I was going to say like, I'll do it with like $20,000. So a small position,
That's a small position.
20,000. What do you guys think? I'll let you guys decide based off of, I'll run a new poll. Yeah, I shorted it. I'm up 12.5K, position fully closed.
My crystal ball says it's gonna go down.
It's gonna go down?
Yeah.
That's what you think?
Yes, I don't think I know.
Yeah, because worst case scenario, if it is a 10% move at $20,000, it's a $2,000 loss. I have a nice cushion I've built off of. Yeah? Well, let's do this. We have,
Red or black?
yeah, we have about 2,000 of you, I think. I thought we had 4,000 of you guys here. I think the views are coming back because people were refreshing their screen. So I'll let you guys decide. We have about 700 likes on this stream so far. If we get 15, no, dude, I'll do it if 1,000 people do it. If we get 1,000 likes, I'll let you guys decide a $20,000 position that I choose to take on Nvidia, long or short. So we'll leave it at that. Yeah, there's 3,000 of you now, 3,200. Subscribe to the channel, drop a thumbs up on this video, and I'll let you guys decide. Let's do it. Let me run a poll. All right, I'm going to end this poll from bullish to bearish. Let's do it. There it goes. 1,200 likes. Holy smokes. Yeah, they want me to. All right. Yeah, they want me to take a position. There's 4,000 of them here right now. So, and as long as they subscribe to the channel.
You should ask how many of them are in it though, because
Nah. Yeah, they're making me take a position against them, something like that. So, what should... We have 5 minutes left. What side should I buy? All right. Start poll. There it goes. I'm gonna give it a total of 2 minutes. I'm gonna let you guys decide. $20,000. All right, we have 67%. They're saying to go long. Hey, now this is looking different than what you guys are saying for what you thought was going to happen. Don't screw me over now. Let's see. All right, 1,400 likes. You guys killed it. I appreciate you. Thank you, thank you. All right, 67%. I'm going to give it 1 minute more. Make sure that you guys vote on the poll. Are we going long on Nvidia or short on Nvidia? I'm up 12.5K on the day. My position has fully closed. Part of it was shorting it. But I personally think Nvidia is going to go up. That's what I personally think. But I just find it very hard. Just Nvidia has been so unstoppable. And every single time that it reports earnings, it's almost like it's getting better and better and better. Split the 20K half and half. What? It's 20K in shares. I don't trade options, so it's not like I'm going to lose it all. And I'm okay with a 10% exposure of risk. I can tolerate that. Okay? All right. Let's do it. I'm going to close out the thing. So it shows 67% of you want me to go long. I'll do it. So let's do it right now. It's going to be like 150 or 200 shares. 175. No, 165 shares. $20,717. Okay. Include extended hours. And we will buy Nvidia. $20,717. Buying at 125.56. 165 shares. There it goes. And please, friendly reminder, I'm doing this because I'm okay with tolerating the good and the bad. I've built myself a nice little cushion from today. Do not copy this trade. I'm like, the whole point of me having you guys here is I just want to watch it together with you. I'm glad that you guys chose to go long because I personally, even though I want Nvidia to pull on back, it's really hard to bet against Nvidia over a major earning report. So with that being said, I'm very glad that you guys chose that. We'll see which way it ends up going. 165 shares, going long, and we'll go from there. Okay, please do not copy this trade. This is just for something that I wanted you guys to just be a part of this trade with me. Hopefully it makes it more entertaining for you. In the next 2 minutes or a minute and 30 seconds, Nvidia is going to be reporting its most anticipated earnings, and we're gonna see. And there it goes, beginning to pick up. We're already up a few $100. We're up 118 bucks. Let's go, which means nothing because Nvidia hasn't reported earnings yet. Let's see it. And there it goes. So you guys can see the live P&L here on the right-hand side, 12.7K. Holy smokes, it's pushing up. All right. 20K is lunch money to rookie, no big deal losing it. Hey, no, 20K is still 20K, but it's about the exposure to risk. I'm putting 20K out there. Even if it does lose 10%, that's $2,000 and I can manage that. Best case scenario, I make another 2K. All right, there it goes, indicating signs of an uptrend. We have made $300 since taking that trade. It is popping off. All right, you want to watch it, Ish? Tanner, come over here. Get over here. 30 seconds left. 30 seconds until Nvidia reports earnings. 30 seconds. All right, make sure you guys have dropped a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel, and let's do the countdown together. We got 20 seconds left. Are you watching it there? You're watching the suck? Yeah? All right. Here it goes. We're up about $400. Ready?
Where do you know it's how much time is left?
I can see the countdown. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Dude, it would be wild if it sells off. It would not be good for... Oh!
So far, I'm right.
Yeah.
I told you guys. You guys don't want to listen.
Wait, no.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
50-50.
This happens often. Watch. 2% in the green, 2% in the green.
Never mind.
Let's see when it gets going. Fully torqued. What does that mean? There it goes. It's dropping. Let's see. Down 1.9%. Keep it light. Did it report? Come out? No, I don't see it yet. I bought an additional. Yep. 50 shares. We're keeping it light, $27,000 in it. Come on.
Move.
Do something. Someone. Someone, make it move.
Hey now.
Oh boy. Man, I'm just gonna play with this range. No way that this is what it's gonna do. No, it hasn't come out. It's gonna do something wild. No, this can't be it. Oh shoot, it is out. EPS was beat. Holy smokes, 30 billion was beat completely. What? Why are guidance has to be here? I'll buy into that. I'll do another 50 shares. I'm gonna have to move this higher because this thing, if it pops off, 27. That's what we do during aftermarket hours. Here it goes. To be able to control it. So one thing that I do to, if this thing continues to indicate signs of an uptrend, is because you can only buy with a limit order during extended hours. There's a lot of volatility and I'm never going to be able to get a perfect price per share. I control it with a limit price that is way above the current price. So when I send it, it will fill at the best at the best bid in the ask. But as long as my limit price is above the bid in the ask, it will get filled at whatever the current bid in the ask is. So it's the only way that I can like get in quicker. So a 50 billion share buyback. That all sounds like good news. So much for a 10% move. There's no way that this is the move. There's no way. I think the market's still trying to decide, and it deciding or taking this long to decide is probably not a good sign for Nvidia. Yeah. Let's see. Still dropping. Still dropping. Watch for new lows. 122.58. Oh, get ready for the free fall. Get ready for the free fall. I like it. We're down 3%. 3% after market hours. Nvidia is dropping. And this is not going to be good if Nvidia continues to do this. Oh, and we're dropping below a specific range. If we drop below, here it goes. 120. Look at this. We have a huge gap down to fill. Huge gap down. Gonna want to be careful here. If it breaks below 120. There it goes. We're down about 1K from when we opened the position. Dropping like it's hot. Dude, the most anticipated event, and it's dropping the ball. Down. Holy smokes.
I was right, wasn't I?
You were right.
Told you, crystal ball.
Crystal ball. We need to call him Ish the crystal ball Nvidia guesser.
That's all his gambling. That's all his gambling I be doing.
False breakout. No, that's all fair. Up 117, down 6.7%, 6.8%. You called Nancy Pelosi. Did she tell you?
Yeah.
Ah.
Got her on speed dial.
Yeah, she never likes to tell me. Oh. Thought I could do a dead cat bounce buy-in, but that thing's dropping. I'm gonna have to accept it. Yeah, 115. It's down 8%, bro. 115. I'm trying to see if it's showing any signs of slowdown. See if we can do just buy into the dip. What'd you say?
I'm saying dig it up and see.
Yeah, don't repeat that. What's going on here? Here we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Quick dead cat bounce, not overthink it. I'm going to reduce size as we begin to go into the green. Watch for the break above 121.60. It's going to work its way back up to the previous resistance. Not going to overcomplicate it. I'm going to reduce my size here. Oh, shoot. No. Fine. Let's reduce the size. Up 13.5K. Gonna reduce it. What am I left with? There it goes. I'm gonna reduce another 250 shares. Just playing it safe. When in doubt, cash out. Keep forgetting about this thing. Come on. There it goes. 14.2K. Beautiful. Freaking beautiful. I'm not going to overcomplicate it. So it looks like it's going back to retest old support, new resistance. I have a total of 315 shares left. I'll do 314 shares. Yeah. Is it dropping? Getting rejected. Let's change that limit order. You farting, Kyle, or what? Oh, bro, don't stink it up over here, bro. Bro, come on, Kyle. We're live. We're live. 5,000 people.
They can smell it too.
Dude. Kyle.
No, it's the treadmill.
Dude, 5,000 people. You guys all heard it, huh?
Oh my God.
Dude, yeah, you gassing it up in there, huh? Oh, bro, we're trying to keep it professional here.
Your monkeypox game plan, fellas. Racist.
What did he say?
No.
Chill.
Everyone's saying freaking Kyle. Here we go. That was
Kyle's dumping like Nvidia.
Oh,
Hey,
that
I
was a
didn't
good
say,
one.
I'm just reading the comments.
Hey, that was a good one. Shots fired.
My mouse wilted? Is that what it says? Kyle, it's a no queef zone.
Dude, that's one thing that I've learned about these people here on YouTube. They're wild.
No, I like it. What's that?
Aw. Okay, here it goes, beginning to show its support. And watch this. Watch Nvidia find its support. It faked a bunch of people out. People panic sell, and then all of a sudden it begins to take off. That's going to be so whack if that's what it does. Because then I'm just going to feel bad for everyone that, you know, bought into the hype, cut losses, and then they get left behind. But Nvidia is just like that. Nvidia is not trading like, first off, Nvidia is a very valuable company. I'm not going to take that away from it. Nvidia, in my opinion, is like what Tesla was back in 2020 or 2019. It's super volatile. Anytime that it has really good, good rallies, it seems unstoppable. But also Nvidia, when it starts to sell off, they pull the rug on it, right? It dumps. It's kind of like Kyle when he farted. With that being said, it's just, you have to be aware that it does come with greater exposure to risk, because obviously it does offer greater potential for profit. You can't want all of the good and not want to tolerate any of the bad. It's just kind of the territory that you have to be able to tolerate with something as volatile as Nvidia. So where are we at? 315 shares is what we have left, which is pretty close to, and we're still in the green because I started at 12.5K, so we've made about $500 since the actual trade. Yeah, my position is still open. I have 315 shares left. I want to see if we could, so as it begins to dump again, I could have done a better job selling it all than opening up short. But sometimes I feel like I'm almost like over trading when it comes down to that. Like I force too much size too early on. I'm going to buy another 100 shares here. Again, please do not copy. This is my trade. This is not something where I want you guys to copy. But for those that are watching for the first time, Nvidia did report earnings. It came out with 68 cents per share as the earnings per share, and revenue was 30 billion versus the expectation of 28.6. With that being said, they do have a guidance call in the next 29 minutes. That is where the CEO and their executives will come together and share what's to come for Nvidia. I think that's going to be where maybe Nvidia really either begins to take off or Nvidia really begins to drop like a rock. They're going to be scrutinizing every single word that those executives say. And if anything hints on the idea of it potentially showing any signs of downturn, then again, that can get factored in that was not already. So it's just something to be very cautious of. Nvidia is very bullish, but people are very critical with any hints of potential downturn when it comes down to a company like this that is so influential to the overall market. I will not be live streaming for another 30 minutes. I just wanted to go live with you guys. I wanted to capture this overall market's reaction, and I wanted to do this just a few days before we come out with LPP 3.